Today I'm going to talk to you about investing in commercial real estate. A lot of times investors start out by investing in residential because they're not really sure exactly how to get involved in investing in commercial real estate. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to talk to you about some of the advantages of investing in commercial versus residential. Commercial real estate is valued very differently than residential. Generally, in a commercial property, it's valued based on the rents or the income that the property produces. Residential is actually valued based on the comps in the neighborhood, and so it's valued differently. Commercial real estate is very diverse, meaning that you can have a commercial apartment complex, a self-storage facility, an office building. There's so many different commercial properties, and you can actually invest in one or any of them, whichever one that you choose, because it's very diverse in commercial. The cash flow in a commercial property is often greater than in a residential property, because if you think about it, if you have an apartment complex where you have several tenants paying rent and somebody leaves, well, you won't feel the effects of it because you have, let's say, 200 more people actually paying, versus when you have a traditional residential property, a single family residence, for example, and that one tenant moves out, well, guess who has to pay that mortgage? So commercial is very different when it comes to creating cash flow. It often gives you more. Commercial real estate leases are actually longer than just a residential lease. So for example, in a residential situation, generally people lease from year to year, right? But in commercial, typically those leases last from anywhere from 3 years to 5 years to 10 years, depending on the tenant. Commercial property is often valued differently by the bank also. The banks actually look at the fact that the property is producing income. So they don't necessarily look at you as far as qualifying and being able to pay back the loan just based off of your own merit. They actually look at what the income is going to be produced by the commercial piece of property. So therefore, getting a loan or getting financed on a commercial property is actually a little bit easier than it would be to get a single family property. So if you want to know more information about how to finance commercial properties, stay tuned to my channel and I'll be more than happy to give you more information on how to create cash flow using commercial properties.